Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about mart750.com, whether it's legit or just another sketchy scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Mart750.com claims you can withdraw $750 Walmart gift card by answering a few simple questions. But according to malware tips, this site is a scam. Instead of giving you a gift card, it tricks users into completing offers and handing over personal information, which could lead to unwanted subscriptions, spam, or even identity theft. There is no official confirmation from Walmart, no transparency, and definitely no Trustpilot reviews for this site. It's a classic case of too good to be true. For the final verdict, Mart750.com is most likely a scam. There's no real gift card, just sneaky tactics to get your data in time. If you're hoping to save money, stick to official promotions directly from Walmart or other trusted retailers. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.